Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to learn how to crush it with surveys. And before you click off, you're not filling out any surveys at all. You're having other people doing it and you're collecting the money for it. So how does this work? All right. Well, for one, it's 100% free to do. It doesn't cost any money for this method at all. You don't need any special skills. You just need to have a little bit of a can-do attitude. If you do this one thing over and over and over, and I'll get to it, it will lead to a huge avalanche of traffic and huge success for you. You can do this on your own time. This isn't something that you need to be doing punching in and punching out. You don't need to do it at a certain in the morning or whatever. You do this pretty much any time, and you can do this from your phone. Right? So you can do all of this from 100% from your phone. You don't need anything special for the most part. So what exactly are we doing, right? We are going to be doing surveys, right? Now, I got to be 100% honest. There is one tool that you need, and you need Builderall, which is a free-to-use software for like a trial or whatever. To test it after that, you will have to pay a monthly fee of $30 a month. Just being 100% transparent. But you can try this method 100% free up front. So what exactly are we going to be doing? So we are going to be making a mini course on how to do surveys that we can offer people for free. So that could be our lead magnet to get people into opting into getting surveys from us. So they will be in our, I don't want to call it downline because that makes it sound like MLM, but basically they sign up under you and you get a certain percentage of whatever they make. Right? So that's why we're creating the training video, is to show them how to best make the most amount of money, right? How to do it the correct way, right? So what exactly do you need for all of this, right? So step one, you're going to get a list of all the YouTubers who are making videos about surveys. The reason why is you want to see how their videos look. You want to see how they're doing different things. You want to see with thumbnails, titles, tags, all that kind of stuff, right? So that'll give you an idea of what people are interested in when they're looking to do surveys, right? So you need to collect, this is kind of like your information thing. Again, you don't have to necessarily do this with surveys, but I want to demonstrate how you can do it in an oversaturated, any kind of niche at all. There's room for you. You can make money in doing this, right? And you can make a killing, because I've done it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to make a mini training course once you find out all the information that people need about surveys, right? So how do they fill out a survey? What are the best survey sites? What are the different ways that they can make money by doing surveys? I'm trying to think of the word for recruit. It's not recruiting, but it's like a recurring income. What's the percentage of that kind of stuff? So you're going to make a mini training course that shows them everything from A to B. You're going to give it away for free, 100%, right? Because we want people to sign up under us so we can make a percentage. Or, you might make $5 just for bringing somebody onto the platform or something along that lines. Depends on the different survey site, right? Next, we're going to get a list of 100 of the long that should be long tail keywords around the word survey, right? And here's a 100% free way to do it. You just come over to YouTube, and I just typed in surveys, and the autocomplete function will give you, your first, 10 right there. And then from there, you click on surveys for money, PayPal, and each one of these are going to be a YouTube video that you're going to make a YouTube video on, right? The next thing that I suggest that you do is you're going to want to get like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. They're free Chrome extensions. and they have a tag list that'll help you with tags. Another good site that you can look for tags is Answer the Public. And I think there's one called Keywords IO. The one for Keywords IO has a specific YouTube button that you can click and it'll show you YouTube stuff, right? So you're going to collect 100 long tail keywords. So the reason why you want long tail is because if you can see here, surveys is searched for on YouTube 450,000 monthly searches for surveys. So you're not going to rank on that, right? But you might rank for this one, surveys that pay you through PayPal. That only has about 40 a month that are searching for that. Now, that's something that you could probably rank for rather easily, right? It only gets 40 monthly views, but if you're ranked number one, you're going to get the majority of those monthly views on that video, right? So basically what you're going to do is get 100 of the keywords and you're going to make a video on each one of the keywords and multiple videos on each one of the keywords, right? This is where I'm talking about where you're going to do this one thing over and over. This is it. You're going to make videos over and over and over. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to write a script and you're going to have just a basic script on what they call a bird's eye view or the 10,000 foot view of it. And you're going to generalize in these videos how people can make, a boatload of cash, or they can work from home. They can pay the rent with the survey money. There's a whole list of different things that you can, but you're just doing the bird's eye view. You don't want to give them the whole thing. And then what you're going to want to do is in the description of each one of these videos, you're going to have a link to your landing page and you're going to collect their email. And when you get your email, then you're going to give them the free 100% free training course on how they can do everything. And in that training course, you're going to have them sign up for, 20 different survey sites, and you're going to teach them how to do, make a full-time income by doing, each day you're going to do these, 20 different things, and it's going to net you, try to make a $50 a day or $100, make it sound really, really well, right? And then once you have them sign up, that's where you're starting to cash in, is when they're on your email list. They've got the free training. They signed up. They're doing that's where you're making the money. And you have that email list now that you're able to market to over and over again, right? So the next step in this is after you make the training course, after you get the list of 100 long tail keywords, you're going to build a landing page, right? And what I suggest, because of the simplicity of it all, it's all in one. You have your autoresponder and your landing page, which is your quick sales funnels, all in the Builderall office and the whole suite, right? So you don't have to necessarily get ClickFunnels and then get response or Aweber and have a bunch of different. And it's way cheaper. It's $30 a month. But like I said, they have the free subscription for a free trial for 14 days, or I can't remember what it is. But ClickFunnels is $99 a month, and then Get Response is another 15 or 20 on top of that, right? So basically, you're going to click right here, Quick Access Sales Funnel. This is the back office, and I've already clicked on it, and you're going to get the drag and drop, right? So there's I think a lead magnet. Did I go too far? I think I went too far. So you want the lead magnet right here. Give away a freebie in exchange for an email address. So this is what you're going to select, this funnel right here. And you're going to it's literally drag and drop. There's nothing crazy about this. Anybody can literally do this. And you're just going to build out your landing page so that you can put it in the description of your YouTube videos. And I'm going to show you how a professional does it and how it looks really, really good, right? So this is the funnel blueprint, what it says right here. And basically, you can run Facebook ads to a lead magnet to a thank you page, right? So this is basically what it's going to look like here, right? One of these two right here. So this is your headline, and then an image of whatever. So you might even have a little video a little snippet, and then you got a little sub headline, and then your call to action right there. So these would be your two different ones. I'm not going to go into exactly how to edit this right now. I'm just giving you the 10,000 10,000 foot view of the whole entire process right now, right? So the next step after you build the landing page is you're going to set up your autoresponder. So two tricks right here to make this 100% easy, right? People freak out about autoresponders because you're going to have to write, 10, 20, 30, 50 emails, right? And I don't know how to write an email. I don't know how to get these people to want to click on stuff and sign up for stuff. The cool thing about this is you just head over to Fiverr, right? And they actually have people that do it for you. So you go into writing and translation and email copy. I'm actually right there right now. So, you got $5 right here. I will write a Russell Brunson style soap opera email, whatever that is. I will write an email copy in 24 hours, $30, $5. So basically, $5 you can get an email written. Now that seems kind of expensive, but you don't need, you need basically one really good email every 3. So if you wanted to have a sales funnel of, say, 10 emails, then you really only need 3 or 4 emails, right? So you're looking at $15, $20, right? Or what you can do is you can come over to, I did a search for PLR emails, and that just means private label rights emails. And this is autoresponders, messages, and and this is the PLL store. I think this is the one I clicked on. And it brought me to exclusive niches. And so you got a Survey Guru PLR ebook. These are like lead magnets that you can adjust and give out, but we're giving out a free training course. You could just as easily give out one of these and just cut it, but video does a lot better. And then you have paid surveys, PLL articles. So you're going to basically, this was $8. Survey tool PR. This one's $6, $5, and basically you'll buy. And usually these are a pack of 100 articles or whatever. You'll have to click and check them all out. But that's an email. Each one of these you're just going to kind of edit, and you're going to put in some of your own specific links that you want in there for them to click on, and that's it. Your autoresponder is done. You don't have to really do any more. I know that that's kind of cheating and it's not 100% great copy and kind of stuff like that. And I have a lot more tricks to show and where you can come up with some better copy and better email. But honestly, this is just fine for what you're doing. You're not looking to sell somebody on $1,000 program. You're looking to just get somebody to sign up for a free email or a free survey. So. And that's pretty much it. Once you have the whole, basically, your autoresponder set up, you got your landing page. You're going to put the landing page in the videos that you'll be making from the list of long keywords that you got. Your mini training course is going to be set up in your autoresponder, and you're off to the races. So then all you have to do is just make video after video after video. You're going to put your link into your landing page, send them the free training, your emails, and your autoresponder will do the rest for you, right? So like I said, I was going to show you somebody that is a master of this, right? So I've showed her in some other videos that I've had, and she does just an amazing job doing this, right? So this is Adriana from No Limits. She has 24,000 subscribers, but don't even pay attention to that because her metrics are, doesn't even really matter. If you look down here, she's bilingual. So she actually has videos in Spanish and English. So when she first started out, it was all English, and now she's kind of transitioning more into just Spanish. But if you look, 40,000 views, 47,000 views, 77,000 views, 419,000 views. So she's really just crushing it on multiple, and she's doing the same thing over and over. She's promoting this $25 one-up program recently, and she's just literally doing the same thing over and over again in English and in Spanish. If you look at the thumbnails, the titles of the videos, they're all the same thing. And if you click on, it's going to take a minute because maybe if I exit out of some of these here, my computer's lagging. So if we click on her video here, you can actually see what she does and how she actually does her entire sales process here. Sorry, this video is really bogging down the computer. All right, we're gonna pause the video and hopefully catch up here. So she's already showing you the back office of a $25 one-up, and it's all locked up. Well, let me scroll down here. Let's give it a second here. But she is literally one of the best I've ever seen of taking one or two specific products and just doing it over and over.
What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California.
Beautiful California. All right, let's see if it'll let me scroll down now. Okay, so as you can see here, this video was published on September 9th, and it's telling you $25 one-up review, made $7,300 on autopilot, exclusive bonuses, and then it's like get started here, right? So if I click here, it's going to have a list of connect with me on Facebook, and then it's just more keywords about the one-up thing or whatever, and then again it's here's her boss life with, that's her where you click on, and then she's got her keywords in the, and then she, of course, she's got it pinned right there again. So she's got it at multiple different levels. It's the same video over and over and over again, and she's crushing it. So she gets roughly this one's a crappy one. It's got almost 6,000 views. She averages about 20 to 40,000. So we'll say 20,000 views times a 3% conversion is 600 times 25. She's making $15,000 basically at a 3% conversion rate per video. So she's literally crushing it. But yeah, that's the whole process. Here's a prime example of what you can do. You can see it like in the flesh. You can study what she's done. Really simple. She's got this right here. She just got a .com. It costs you $10, and that's what she's hosting it on. But you can host it on your own, Builderall. You don't need to do that. She's just self-branding, which is good. For $10, you can't really beat that. So, but that's the whole thing from start to finish, top to bottom. I hope you like this video. Give it a like. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them, and I'll see you guys in the next video.